Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have an exciting story to share with you. It's all about my new drone adventures and I can't wait to take you along on this thrilling journey. So sit back, relax and let's dive into the world of drones. We as humans have always had a deep desire to fly high and experience the world from above. Unfortunately, we can't sprout wings and take flights like birds. However, we have found a way to fulfill that longing through the incredible technology of drones. My quest to find the perfect drone led me to Amazon, where I discovered an overwhelming number of options. Some were incredibly affordable, boasting impressive features like 4K video capabilities. However, a friend suggested that I should focus on DJI drones to narrow down my search. Now, even within the DJI band, there are still numerous options to choose from. To make an informed decision, I compiled a list of essential features I desire in a drone. Firstly, I needed one that could capture high quality videos with intricate details. Additionally, I wanted a drone with a long battery life for the extended flights. Lastly, obstacle avoidance sensors were a crucial requirement for me. After careful consideration, I set my sight on the DJI Mini 3 Pro with the RC controller. Excited by my choice, I headed to Sharif DG, one of the leading electronics stores in the UAE, to purchase my DJI Mini 3 Pro. Now, as you can see, I have it open already in my excitement. So this won't be an unboxing video. This is more of really what's in the box. Okay, so the first thing is this new drone, the Mini 3 Pro RC. It has the gimbal protector. Let me just put it here. And then we have this box, and then we have the new RC1 controller, and at the back of it I have these two small sticks. Let me just take them out and attach them here, I guess. Just be careful, these are quite small and it's quite easy to lose these guys. Oh god. Okay, the first one went well. Let me put the second one as well. So what else is in the box? Nothing much, honestly. Let's see what's inside this box. Okay, we have a couple of additional propellers. There is this screwdriver, and there is obviously a charging cable, I guess. Unfortunately, there is no adapter, so I need to buy one. There is a manual, obviously, but then who reads manual these days? Now let's focus on the drone itself. Okay, so let me just take out this gimbal protector and I guess open up its wings. This one goes right, and these two will go at the bottom. Okay, so now I finally have my drone. Okay, I believe this is the charging port. Okay, so this one is the charging port. Let me take out the battery. Okay, so this is the battery. Now I would really love to just go out and fly this drone. but due to the drone laws in UAE, I'm unable to fly it here without a license. Instead, I'm going to be taking it back to my home country, Pakistan, where the regulations are a bit more lenient. So I can't really wait to just get there and explore the skies with my new drone. Okay, now that I'm back in my country, let's give this magnificent machine a test flight. Let me just boot up the controller first. It's one hard push followed by one long push. Okay, so while this is booting up, let me boot up the drone as well. One hard push and then one long push. Okay, let me just open the propellers while this is booting up. And remove the safety gimbal as well. Okay, I guess both set up. Now the first time you power it up, the drone will prompt you to sign up and perform a firmware upgrade. That step is mandatory and I have already taken care of it. So it's time to give this marvelous creation a try. Now there are two ways to start the drone. The first option is available on the RC1 controller itself. You just press this little icon and then press to take off. So it's actually a combination of two steps. Not only it starts the drone, but then it elevates it to 1.5 meter. Now trying this indoor can be a bit risky, so I'm gonna just land it for now. Again, the landing option is available on the RC controller. It's actually complaining about the obstacle sensor. Okay, that works out just fine. The second way to start the drone is to press these two sticks in a V structure. Now it will start the drone, but it won't ascend it. So again, you will need to move the left key up to ascend it. Again, I'm gonna just move it down, I guess. And let me just land it. And that concludes the introduction to my new drone adventure. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos where I will be capturing breathtaking aerial footage, exploring new landscapes, and sharing the joy of flying with you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a moment of this exhilarating journey. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.